Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the CK gang. To my returning girls, hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, today's video is in collaboration with Klaiyi hair. I don't think I said that right. I don't feel like I ever say their name right, but this hair, y'all, is from them and I'm loving it. Like, she's giving such a vibe. She's giving vacation. Like, when I get my hair curly like this, I literally want to pack my bags and get on a flight and go somewhere nice and take me some nice pictures. But yeah, y'all, I feel like this hair is perfect for the springtime and also the summertime. Hence, you know, the color of my shirt, because it's giving spring, it's giving summer, it's giving all the feels. So guys, this hair is a kinky curly 13x4 frontal wig, and it is 150% density. I believe it is 24 inches. I could have like trimmed it up a bit. I could have, but I just did not want to be bothered, to be honest. So this is how we're wearing it. If y'all want to see how I achieve this hair, then you should definitely keep on watching.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go, gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow, can make you grow, can make you grow. Sometimes you know I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know a chase. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Gotta know when I let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary